Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best biscuit jointers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the AOBEN Biscuit Cutter Plate Joiner. This tool offers an impressive 8.5 amp motor and a cutting speed of 11,000 RPM, making it suitable for a variety of materials, including solid wood, plywood, and chipboard. The included tungsten carbide-tipped blade ensures durability, while the adjustable tilt fence offers versatility with angle adjustments from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Additionally, the tool features preset stops for biscuit sizes 0, 10, and 20, as well as a manual M mode for custom depths. The design is functional with a dust collection system that keeps your workspace clean and a relatively lightweight build at 10.67 pounds. However, its overall build quality feels slightly less premium than higher-tier models, and the lack of a listed price might make some buyers hesitant. In terms of performance, it handles most woodworking tasks well, but the fence adjustments can feel a bit clunky compared to competitors. If you're looking for an affordable, high-powered joiner with a decent range of features, the AOBEN is worth considering. Its inclusion of 110 biscuits across 3 sizes is a nice bonus for beginners. However, more seasoned woodworkers might find it lacking in precision and smoothness. Pros: powerful motor, versatile joint types, and included biscuits. Cons: slightly less refined build and limited adjustment precision. Coming in at number 4 is the Makita PJ7000 plate joiner. This tool is built with precision and durability in mind, featuring a 5.6 amp motor that delivers an impressive 11,000 RPM. It includes 6 depth settings with one-touch stops, making it easy to work with common biscuit sizes like number 0, number 10, and number 20. The cast aluminum pivot fence adds stability, and the rack and pinion vertical fence system ensures accuracy in adjustments. The design is sleek and ergonomic, with large cam locks for easy fence adjustments. At 11.88 pounds, it's slightly heavier than its competitors, but it feels robust and well-balanced. One standout feature is its 3 positive stops for the fence at 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees, which simplify angled cuts. While it doesn't come with biscuits like some other models, the Makita is a reliable choice for professionals who need consistent performance and high-quality construction. This joiner is ideal for woodworkers who prioritize precision and durability over extra features. However, the lack of included biscuits and the higher weight might deter some users. Pros: excellent build quality, precise adjustments, and robust motor. Cons: heavier than competitors and no included biscuits. At number 3, we have the WEN JN8504 biscuit joiner, the most budget-friendly option on our list. Despite its low price of just $57.99. This tool offers an 8.5 amp motor that spins at 10,000 RPM, making it highly capable for edge joining, panel alignment, and strengthening joints. It comes with preset stops for biscuit sizes number 0, number 10, and number 20, and its adjustable fence makes angled cuts a breeze. The design is simple yet effective, and it comes with a carrying case and a handful of biscuits, adding to its value. While it's not as refined as higher-end models, it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for beginners or DIYers on a budget. However, its plastic components and slightly lower precision might not meet the needs of professional woodworkers. If you're just getting started with woodworking or need a reliable backup tool, the WEN JN8504 is a fantastic option. It provides excellent value for the price, and its ease of use makes it accessible to almost anyone. Pros: unbeatable price, lightweight, and includes biscuits and a case. Cons: less durable materials and lower precision. At number 2, we have the DEWALT DCW682B biscuit joiner. Known for its reliable performance, this tool features a 6.5 amp motor with a speed of 10,000 RPM. Its dual rack and pinion fence ensures the blade and fence remain parallel for accurate cuts every time. The integral one-piece fence adjusts from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, and the 45-degree locating notch simplifies mitered joints. The heavy-duty aluminum shoe adds durability, while the anti-slip pins keep your workpiece secure. It also comes with a dust bag, vacuum adapter, and a convenient kit bag. At 9.66 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a favorite among professional and hobbyist woodworkers alike. The only downside is its price, which is higher than entry-level models, but it's well worth it for the precision and reliability. If you're looking for a mid-range joiner with professional-grade accuracy, the DEWALT DCW682B is a solid choice. Pros: durable build, outstanding accuracy, and helpful accessories. Cons: higher price compared to budget models. Finally, at number 1, we have the DEWALT 20V Max XR Biscuit Joiner. This premium option boasts a brushless motor, delivering consistent cutting performance and extended runtime. It features a dual rack and pinion fence design with tool-free adjustments for depth, height, and bevels, making it incredibly user-friendly. The depth selection knob allows for quick changes between biscuit sizes number 0, number 10, and number 20. At just 6.8 pounds, this model is lightweight and ergonomically designed, with a paddle switch that accommodates left and right-handed users. The cordless design adds convenience, but note that the battery and charger are sold separately. While it's the most expensive on our list at $269, the precision, portability, and overall build quality make it the best choice for professionals and serious woodworkers. If you're looking for top-of-the-line performance and don't mind the higher price, the DEWALT 20V Max XR is the ultimate biscuit joiner. Pros: cordless convenience, premium build, and brushless motor. Cons: high price and no included battery or charger. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.